This is ICP9. The use cases are create a collection and a user in a MongoLab account. The second use case is you have to insert data according to the following fields. They are class ID, name, major, minor, and course. And the third use case is search the data based on major. As you are seeing the web page on the screen, this is the web page. You can search based on major. There are two buttons, search and give details. If you click on give details, a pop-up comes and you can give details to insert the data into the database. And if you click on search, you will get the details from the database based on major. So let's go to give details. SID 50, Harish, masters, CS, and binaries. Okay. So now the details have been inserted into the database. Let's search based on computer science major. When you click on search, now you can see the details from the database of CS major Pallavi 63 masters. So as you can see, this Pallavi document has already been inserted in the database, and this Harish which has been inserted now. If you go to the database and just refresh it, you can see 4 documents in it. One is Sharan, one is about Pallavi, one is about Neeraj, and one is about Harish. So if you see Pallavi and Harish has the same major CS, so only that 2 documents are being fetched. And if you change the major to W or EC, like EC, as you can see, the details have been changed to Sharan Masters. And if you give W, then you will be getting the details like this. So based on the particular major, as you can see here, based on this major field, all the details can be fetched from the database. Now let's go to the code part. So this is the HTML page where the input type, the input fields in the give details pop-up page, and in the home page, and the buttons available on the home page have been designed here. And there are 2 main click actions. One is search and one is give details. When you click on give details, a pop-up will occur. A pop-up will come. That is done in this script. And when you go to the JS, so the controller is Mongo controller and the model is Mongo sample. And I'm inserting ID, name, course, major, and minor. So now I'm requesting to post data into this server. So to post data into the database, now we have to go to the Mongo.js. So here is the data. So how to fetch or post the data in the database. The main thing is you have to host the database on a server. This is the code where you can host the database on the server. So my database is hosted on 8081 localhost. So whenever from the client side, when he requests for post or get, like when he asks for post, so it will redirect to the database and goes to this function, and from here the data is taken from the JS and it will be posted to in the database. When the post happens, it will be posted here like this. It will be inserted in the database. So, and that is the first test case. And the second test case is you want to fetch the data based on major. So the thing is, go to this another function. So as you can see, the get request is done like this. You are requesting to this server the search key as search major. The search major key is the input you added in the web page. As when you request here, it goes to the the MongoDB which is hosted in the server. So as you can see here, uh, some code like demo IC HData. What is this HData and demo IC? When you create an database in your Mongo lab, you have to create a collection. Collection is nothing about a table in RDBMS, and the rows are called as documents in MongoDB. So you have to give the collection name and what is its data. As you go up, this is the URL. When you create a collection, you will get a URL so that you can access the account. So here you have to give the username, password, and this is the database name. As you can see, several imports. This as you can see, cards. The cards behavior is like when you are requesting something from one domain to another domain, to avoid cross-origin resource sharing issue, you have to import cars. So now let's go to the get data. Here you are fetching the keyword of the search item, and you will be making a query here. This is the code, that is you are finding a query in the particular collection, and where after searching it you will get a result that you are sending back to the JS layer. Here you can see as the code, I am getting the data here. I will fetch data from the server to the client and display uh, in the form of HTML. As you can see, all the documents which are of major CS have been stored in an array and posted, and with the help of ng-repeat I am displaying the results. So this is ICP9. Thank you.